Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different, but trust me, it's going to be fun. I'm going to be doing some shopping with my mom. I drove up to Boulder City. It's right outside of Las Vegas, if you've never heard of Boulder City before. But they have a ton of super cute shopping and lots of antiques and all that fun stuff. I might get a few things, I might not, but I want to kind of show you around and what they have up here and maybe hang out with me for the day. So some of you already know this, but I did have surgery. So I had a breast reduction and it's taking me a couple weeks to kind of heal from that. So I can't really be lifting heavy things and doing all the fun stuff that I love doing, but I don't want to not bring you guys any content. So what better way than to do a little bit of light shopping? Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and give me a thumbs up and say hi in the comments. I love meeting you guys. It's getting kind of hot in the car, so I'm gonna go on in and see what they have. So here's the first place we're gonna go. It's called Shermans House of Antiques and looks like they have a few good things from the outside. Let's go on in and see what we can find. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful she is. I would love to have this statue in my backyard. It's so pretty. Here's another view from the side, but oh, so pretty. Wow, if I had a spot for that, that is so pretty. Let's see how much it is. Gorgeous. This one's really cute too. Oh, I love those legs. Gorgeous. Okay, I don't know. Let me get a better view. This is probably, I'm guessing like a twin or maybe a full-size bed. But this headboard and footboard is to die for. I love that curved look right there for the end. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm assuming this is for ashes to go by your fireplace. Oh, 95. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Very pretty. Okay, we made our way inside. Okay, I'm feeling really old because really antiques. Ouch. The next place we're gonna go into is called Bloom, and there's one of these in Vegas, and I don't necessarily think that this is a antique store, but I think they have like a mix of both, like vintage stuff and new stuff. So let's go ahead and go inside. Oh yeah, this is definitely my kind of store, guys. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. Everything in here is gorgeous. Oh, look at these pillows. How cute. So pretty. Isn't that a beautiful print? Oh, so pretty. Chandelier. Oh, gorgeous. You guys, look at this mantle. Some more beautiful prints here. Oh, so pretty. I don't see a stuff. Oh, these are really gorgeous. All right, so the next place we're gonna go into is called Goat Feathers Antiques. And let's see if we have any luck. Okay, we can't go on this side. Maybe the other way? Okay, I guess this is where you go in. I'm a little scared. Okay, wow, I was not expecting this. This place is huge. All right, let's see if we can find anything pretty. Oh, this lamp is really pretty. $150. Oh, that's gorgeous. These are really pretty. Oh, look at that little pig. How adorable. Oh, I found some pretty teacups, you guys. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, lilacs are so pretty. How much are these? $8.50, I think that says. No, $8. Those are really pretty. Oh, I like this one too. Oh, that's gorgeous. Pretty, all of these teacups. Oh. Oh, this milk glass decanter is so pretty. $25. Oh, I almost want to get it. Look how pretty that is. What would I do with this? Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this copper, so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, this is so pretty.
Who said that?
So pretty.
Look how pretty. Oh, all of it together like that.
Okay, so we are back in Vegas, and if you guys have been with me for a while, I have shopped at this antique mall before. It's just off of Charleston, if you are familiar with Las Vegas, but this is one of my favorite. Okay, I am just in the window here, and I think this set matches the one that I have at home. I'm gonna go inside and look at the back, but oh, it's so pretty.
With my face?
No. Okay, so this is what I was looking at in the window. Can you flip it over? Turn it this way. And it is not the same. This is what, so not the same. Oh, I love this little patio set. It's so pretty. Wouldn't it look gorgeous in my backyard? I think it's sold though. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. This is so pretty. And this could be used to hold like a really cute chandelier lamp or chandelier light, or even put it outside and add like a solar light. I have something similar to that in my backyard. If I can pull up a picture, I'm gonna put it up here on the screen what I have. This is so pretty. This is one of my favorite booths. I love all the white in here. And I just think everything in here is really dainty and pretty. This is pretty. Oh, I love these lamps. I remember looking at these a couple months ago. I almost bought them. There's a set, so there's 2 of them. Let me see if the price is different. No, they're still $45. They're so pretty though. really love these. These are so pretty. I love the floral print on the front. Oh, those are gorgeous. This is my other favorite booth, and they normally have more shabby chic pieces in here than what they have now, but I really like everything I'm seeing. That table is so pretty. I wish I could put something like that in my house. I don't have any room, but I really like the style that they have in here. Like, these are so pretty. Those will look really good on my mantle. Oh, really pretty. These are so pretty. Gorgeous. Even that floral painting, so pretty. Look at all these knobs. Oh, they're so pretty. $20. I wish I could put a glass doorknob on every door in my house. Love glass knobs. So pretty. She also has a lot of copper pieces in here. I'm gonna show you that in just a second. It's just super cute. Okay, so here are the copper pieces. I love this. Let's see how much it is. 32. It's really pretty. Okay, so this reminds me of when I was a kid. Oh my gosh, is this like Tupperware? Yep. It was probably like $4 back then. Oh, I'm not gonna buy it, but the things that bring you back, right? I really wish that I had more places to put lamps because I love them, and these are really pretty. So I did end up getting one thing, and it was this, and I just could not pass it up. But look how beautiful this is with the detail. I think it's so incredibly pretty. I know I say pretty way too much, but I love that word. Anyway, this, look at the top. Oh, love it. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this. I was thinking maybe I can put this in my bathroom and put mouthwash in here or something. I don't know. I could even put it on my bathtub tray and add like some bubble bath to this or something. I don't know, but it was just way too pretty to pass up. But that's the only thing that I got today. That took so much out of me, even though it was a lot of fun. I am beat. I am so tired. So I'm gonna take a quick shower, hop into bed, and do some editing and hopefully get this video up for you guys really quickly. I also noticed, because I did watch a couple of the footage, I noticed I said pretty a lot. And I would say I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry because that is such a beautiful word to me. I just love the word pretty. Give me a thumbs up, say hi in the comments, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And again, always, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.